Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So lip sync videos make your AI characters talk realistically, matching voice with mouth movements, perfect for UGC ads, storytelling and content creation. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to make a lip sync video using OpenArt in 2026. So just follow the steps. So first thing first, create a realistic character. So open OpenArt image generator, generate a face. For example, we have here a prompt, okay, that you can take it into consideration. Okay, so go to image generator. Okay, so like this, realistic person, natural skin texture, soft lighting, portrait, vlog style. Okay, so choose the most natural looking image. Realism is the key here. Generate voice audio, so use, for example, 11 laps or play HT. So write your script, generate voice, download audio. Natural voice is better sync. Okay, so prepare your image or video, so use high quality face, front facing angle, avoid side profiles, use lip sync tool, like use external tools, DID or hygiene. So upload OpenArt image, upload audio, generate talking animation. This creates lip movement. So download talking video, like export final lip sync clip, ready for editing, and edit final video, like use CapCut, Premiere Pro, add subtitles, music, effects. It makes it engaging. Okay, so optimize for platform, like formats, like for TikTok Reels, like 9:16 or YouTube 16:9. So it's ready to publish now. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.